We present DECO, a new method to estimate dense 3D human-scene contact in the wild. Humans rely on physical contact to interact with the world, while we use our hands and feet to support grasping and locomotion. Executing everyday tasks requires complex full-body and object contact. Thus, modeling and inferring 3D contact on the full body is essential. To estimate human contact, existing methods either focus on 2D contact, consider body joints rather than the body surface, use coarse 3D body regions, or require synthetic or scanned data that do not generalize to in-the-wild images. We go beyond prior work to estimate 3D human scene and human object contact across the full body directly from in-the-wild images. To this end, we make two contributions. First, we collect a new dataset called DAMON with 3D contact annotations for images using a novel 3D labeling tool. Second, we train a novel 3D contact detector called DECO that takes a single image as input and produces dense contact labels on the 3D body mesh. To collect DAMON, we crowdsource contact annotations via Amazon Mechanical Turk using a custom-made interactive software tool that lets people paint contact areas on a 3D body mesh. This allows us to collect a rich corpus of 3D contact annotations for in-the-wild images with diverse human-object interactions. Here we show the input image on the left, the annotated color-coded object contact in the middle, and the annotated scene-supporting contact to the right. Note how contact regions are classified into several object category labels. The DAMON dataset contains contact annotations for 70 object categories of everyday objects, such as vehicles, furniture, sports equipment, food items, etc. We show the likelihood of DAMON contact annotations in the form of a heat map on the body. Red color denotes a higher probability of contact, while blue color denotes a lower probability. This shows that the DAMON contact annotations are spread across the entire body. We use the DAMON dataset to train a 3D contact detector called DECO that is both accurate and robust. DECO builds on the insight that human observers recognize contact by reasoning about the contacting body parts, their proximity to scene objects, and the surrounding scene context. DECO has two main technical novelties. First, DECO uses a body part-driven attention, a scene context-driven attention, and a cross-attention module. These explicitly encourage contact features computed from the image to attend to meaningful areas both on and near body parts and scene elements. Second, DECO uses a novel 2D pixel anchoring loss called PAL. PAL grounds 3D contact predictions from DECO to 2D image pixels. To this end, it first reconstructs a posed and shaped 3D human mesh. Then, it differentiably projects DECO's inferred 3D contact areas on this mesh into 2D contact areas. PAL encourages DECO's projected 2D contacts to lie inside the annotated 2D contact areas of the recent HOT dataset, thus bringing together crowdsourced 2D and 3D contact annotations. We evaluate our DECO regressor on the rich, DAMON, and Behave datasets for dense 3D contact estimation from an image. The results show that DECO significantly outperforms existing state-of-the-art methods, like Bistro and POSA, across all benchmarks. Qualitatively, DECO's contact predictions are more realistic and physically plausible than the ones of Bistro and POSA. Here, we show some challenging examples. Notice that DECO estimates accurate contact labels on body parts, such as the buttocks and back, while other methods fail. DECO also performs better than other methods in resolving the left-right ambiguity. See here the example of the hand in contact with the snowboard and motorbike. DECO also generalizes well to unseen in-the-wild images from the internet. Notice how DECO recovers accurate body-ground contact for yoga poses. DECO is also able to estimate contact for small objects, such as a cell phone, an iPad, or rare objects such as a sky lantern. DECO significantly outperforms methods that compute contact by thresholding the vertex distance between a reconstructed object and a human mesh, such as CHOR and POSA. Finally, we use DECO's inferred contact for 3D human pose and shape estimation and find that this improves accuracy. These results show that DECO can be useful for the computer vision community. Our code and data are available for research purposes. For more details, please refer to our paper and website.